We just got it checked to count. Got it checked to count. What my demons do. Got it tested now.
Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at how I wash my bike and the products I use. Typically I just go to a car wash because currently I don't really have a good place to wash my bike. Most of the time I'll go for a weekend, do some downhill, and my bike will be completely covered in mud, and it'll stay like that for a day or two probably. Like at bike parks they usually have little stations where you can hose your bike off and things like that, but usually I never full on wash it until I get back home. So in this clip I just got back from Snowshoe, West Virginia. Had a race there, and as you can see in the video, there's like on the down tube, it's crazy, there's inches. So for washing, I currently use the BONTRAGER bike wash, and I think it's worked well for me. I don't have any complaints. It usually does a good job, and let's take a look.
Hello, it's last voice I'm leaving you. You're just really stressing me out right now, and I would just really appreciate if you got back to me. There's a lot of scenarios going through my head about like what's happening.
New shade, go shade, little baddie, what it do? I just motion, that's the light is coming through. I just say I wanna see it all in truth. I just want my say, yeah.
So I'm going to be using the BONTRAGER degreaser. It comes in a smaller bottle, a 16-ounce bottle for $13.99, so it's a bit more expensive and you get less at a time, but you obviously shouldn't need to use as much. Is this thing on? You can see this unfortunate dent in my wheel that I just discovered. I actually didn't even know about it while I was filming this video, and it wasn't until after I cleaned my bike that I was able to see it. So here I'm going to scrub down the chain. I'm just going to keep running it over and over and over again, and I'm going to use this thin brush to really squeeze down into the derailleur cage basically, and that's going to really allow me to get most of that mud out of there without spraying it, just with the pressure washer. So you just want to keep soaking it, spinning it, soaking it, spinning it, wipe it down. Careful with your fingers. This car wash actually has a dryer. It's pretty cool. So I'll use the dryer to really make sure I get the chain dried out. Just going to re-lube with the BONTRAGER chain lube. And what I like most about these BONTRAGER products is that they all smell really nice. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Oh yeah, and make sure to check out and follow Instagram if you want. I think I'm going to start posting there when I plan to go downhilling on the weekends. I think I'm going to start posting in the middle of the week or at the beginning of the week and say, hey, heads up. So if any of you guys want to come out and ride, then I'll see you on the mountain.